Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the synced up stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 single crochet into the next chain. We're going to start our sequence, make 3 chains, to skip 3 chains. Into each of the next 2, make a single crochet into each. Then we're going to start repeating, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains, into each of the next 2 chains, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, to skip 3 chains, into each of the next 2, make a single crochet into each. Make 3 chains, to skip 3 chains, then make 1 single crochet into each of the last chains in this row to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. Into the next one, make a double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Skip this chain space into this next stitch, make a double crochet V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet all into that same stitch. Now into this next stitch, same thing, make a double crochet V, so double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And that is the sequence. You're going to skip this next chain space into this next stitch, double crochet V, and then into this next stitch, double crochet V. Skip the next chain space into this next stitch, a double crochet V, into this next stitch, double crochet V, and that's how everything is looking. Then when you reach the end of your row, you're going to skip this last chain space into this next stitch, make a double crochet, and then into the last stitch, make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into each of the first 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. You're going to skip to the middle double crochets of each of the next 2 double crochet V-stitches. So you could see that these both are double crochet V-stitches. These 2 stitches right here are the ones we're going to be working into. You're going to make a single crochet into each of those. Then you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, into each of the next middle stitches of these previous double crochet V-stitches. So these 2 right here, make a single crochet into each, make 3 chains, skip to the next ones, into each of these next 2 stitches right here in the middle of each double crochet V, you're going to make a single crochet into each. Make 3 chains. Then when you reach the end of your row, you're going to have a double crochet and some chains left. Into that last double crochet, make a single crochet. And then into the top of these last chains, make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the synced up stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.